What's up guys, David here, DeFi Strategies. Today I'm going to show you the possibilities of crypto. The great thing about crypto is that all are welcome. Imagine for a minute that Alice lives with her family. Her family lives on a piece of land they have had for many generations. Alice is an ambitious woman who decides to start her own business. She asks friends and family for money to place orders, but unfortunately they only have cash. Luckily, Alice has a friend in the United States who wants to support her startup. Alice later finds out that her friend has to pay over 10% in remittance fees to send her the money. To make matters worse, Alice has no verifiable identification or credentials, ruling out the possibility of a loan. The land can't be used as collateral because she doesn't have a deed. Her family has always lived there. Without an alternative, it would be nearly impossible for her to achieve her dreams. Cryptocurrencies not only offer Alice the means to send and receive funds affordably, but they also provide her with the financial services needed, like lending and savings. Crypto makes everyday financial services available to more people at a reasonable cost. Crypto is inclusive. It removes barriers that exclude everyday people from participating in the financial system. Advancements in blockchain technology are making financial inclusion easier to achieve. The World Bank estimates that almost 2 billion adults worldwide lack a basic bank account. Whether for payments or digital assets, crypto provides modern financial infrastructure. The United States has restrictions on remittance and transfer payments to 29 countries worldwide. With crypto, you can send funds to family and friends wherever they are, affordably and instantly, with no registration or sign-up required. Making a wallet to receive crypto is free. Crypto restores the control over your assets. The financial services that blockchains bring has birthed a new digital economy, fueled by innovation and open markets. This innovation is intensifying the drive for more sustainable blockchains and a new layer of the internet, called Web3. As we strive to democratize technology, new concepts like on-chain voting or governance arise. Participants can choose which chains and technologies to support and influence by using them. Development of these blockchains centers around debates within each community. Users of a blockchain can submit improvement protocols to be voted on. These elections are provably fair and cryptographically secured, meaning there is no confusion or speculation after the fact regarding foul play. Industry innovation and widespread adoption are bringing more affordable, user-friendly products to everybody. At an increasing scale, people around the world have greater access to use and purchase blockchain-based products. The open source model has seen broad adoption, allowing anyone to participate directly in the development of software rather than indirectly through contributing opinions. Traditionally, a company makes a product, users buy it, and profits go to the shareholders. In this new world, the user is the shareholder. Users receive the benefits of both the product and profits by contributing to the open economy. New technologies and improved user experiences are empowering those outside of the tech industry to access and use blockchain products and services. With that all being said, I think that's enough for today. Thank you for listening, and I'll talk to you soon.